Hi guys, if your Pura device is blinking red or green light or it is not working, it usually means a connection or the setup issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can fix it step by step. So as it can be seen here in this particular image, you must be seeing a red light and the green line like this one. So on a Pura device, blinking red and the green line indicates that the device is in the setup mode or having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi. So it's waiting for complete pairing. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and not the 5 gigahertz. Pura devices don't connect properly to the 5 gigahertz networks. So you need to ensure your router signal is strong near the device. Afterwards, you just have to simply open your Pura application on your phone, then remove your device if it is already listed. After doing so, simply look for the option of add device and follow further instructions again in order to basically add your device here inside the application. This particular step is going to refresh the connection process. You can also remove and reinsert the fragrance refills properly. If they are not seated correctly, the device may not function even after connecting. So you need to make sure that both the slots click into the place. So you can try these easy steps, and these are going to basically help you get your Pura device working again. Thank you.